Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show how to solve ChatGPT. You have hit the free plan limit for image generation request. Let's see how to solve this problem. Tap on hold ChatGPT app, click on app info, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and cache, tap on clear storage, tap on delete. Go to Play Store, click on search bar, click on search bar and search ChatGPT. Update ChatGPT app if available Play Store or App Store. Please try again after the time you have been given. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.